The province of Balkh is situated in northwestern Afghanistan, its oasis sandwiched between the Oxus River and Hindukush Mountains. 1,000 years old, Balkh fell to the armies of Alexander the Great in 329 BC. It was the capital of Bactria, comprising north of Hindukush and south of Hisar Mountains. The Kushans brought Buddhism to Bactria in 2nd century CE, Zoroastrianism during the Achaemenid and Greco-Bactrian periods. By a Sasanian army in 4th century, Balkh had been destroyed and rebuilt more than 20 times by the 16th century by the barbaric Genghis Khan. Timurids, the city once again rose from its ashes. It was rebuilt in 1360 by Amir Hussein. The first Muslim crossing of the Oxus River was achieved in the reign of Caliph Omar. Balkh was a center for Islamic scholarship. Marco Polo visited Balkh in 13th century, and the infamous Arab traveler Ibn Battuta passed through in 14th century. Balkh was a vital hub in the Silk Road, and its trade was unparalleled. Even today, its rich history signifies its importance.